Twist off. Remove by twisting. I twist off the bottle cap to drink juice. Pump out. Push out liquid. I pump out some soap to wash my hands. Crack open. Break slightly to open. He cracks open the soda can. Peel off. Remove a layer by pulling. She peels off the seal from the yogurt cup. Pop out. Come out suddenly. He pops out a tablet from the pack. Take off. Remove something. He takes off the cup lid to sip the coffee. Flip up. Lift something upward. She flips up the lid of the jar. Fold open. Open by unfolding. She folded open the map. Tear open. Open by tearing. He tore open the packet. Cut open. Open by cutting. She cut open the packet with scissors. Push open. Open by pushing. He pushed open the door. Slide open. Open by sliding. The window slid open easily. Unzip. Open a zipper. He unzipped the bag. Unbutton. Open by removing buttons. She unbuttoned her coat. Unlock. Open with a key or code. She unlocked the bathroom door. Unclip. Open by removing a clip. He unclipped the file folder.